I don't even know how to start this video. So yesterday we will just try to leave Turbulence Pump. Oh, is this the arena unlock? Yep. What are we unlocking? Yay, my favorite things in this entire game. I just love that. Okay, oh shit. If I remember correctly, this leads to Verdant waterways, so yeah. So if I can get up here. Yep. Oh, it kinda like not. Oh wait, hold on. Yay, now we're in a good region. Let's go, guys. Oh, there's a creature or item unlock in here as well. That's cool. Man, who would make a region based off of geyser platforming? Oh shit. Oh shit. I think this is where the echo is. So, you know. I don't know, I like check out if there are any arena unlocks and then go back because I can see it. Okay, what does this unlock? Oh, I think that's a melon. Or pomegranate if you're cringe. Oh. Ah, okay. Okay, well, two ways. Where does this lead? Over here. Oh no, hold on. So how do you get to that side? What? Oh, I think that's it. Or not, what? Oh, that sounded cool. Hold on. Actually, is there more to this room? Doesn't look like it. Oh my god. Can I just please go in the fucking entrance? And then that's over here. Great. So then where is the arena unlock? What? Is it like bugged? This is supposed to be one of the spots I have been in, but like don't feel like it, you know. Accidentally pinned that lizard to the wall. Oopsies. Alright, time to go through here. Is it bad that I have like never actually gotten the Verdant Waterways echo? Oosh. Wow, this one is actually peak cordon. No, come on. God damn it. If there's another cap, yes, let's go. Alright, so they probably are pointing to the echo. Man, I really wanted to get the arena unlock, but, you know, I guess no. Do you happen to have it or something? I will do it. I haven't even done anything. Am I not supposed to like do the invisibility ability there? What? Okay. Also no anyone looks there. That's crazy. I guess yay. I have never oh, this is a good region. It's a rot region. What the fuck? Oh, it's this one. I see. Oh, what the fuck? New shit. Let's go. Fucking die. Alright, but I think that's going to be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Press like, subscribe. Oh my god, there are 2 item or creature unlocks in this region home. Okay, bye.